What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mattress Breeze. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for the Tuft and Needle hybrid mattress. The Tuft and Needle hybrid mattress is a high-end mattress that gives you really high-end comfort as well. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of it. Now, for your convenience, we have included our affiliate links to every product discussed in the video in the description. So in case you want to learn more about any of these products, be sure to check out those links to see the latest info on pricing and availability, because this does change from time to time. But with that being said, let's get started. My first tip for this mattress is to use a mattress bag. This is incredibly useful when you're either transporting the mattress or storing it. Because when you're transporting or storing a mattress, it's going to be exposed to stuff like dust, dirt, and damage. And since this mattress is definitely on the nicer side, you're going to want to keep it safe. Because of this, having a good mattress bag to protect it is really important when you're transporting or storing it. Now, this specific mattress bag in the video is the MatSafe Mattress Bag by Nordic Elk. I really like this mattress bag because not only does it provide really good protection from stuff like dirt, debris, and damage in and of itself, but it also has handles, making the mattress so much easier to move. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress topper. Now, the Tuft and Needle hybrid mattress, as the name implies, is a hybrid mattress, and it has a really unique texture to it. On one hand, the springs at the base are really firm and overall provide a level of pressure relieving back support that's really hard to find in any mattress that's lower end than this. But on the other hand, at the top of this mattress, there's some really thick layers of comfort foam that give the mattress almost a plush type of feeling. While I'm personally a huge fan of this, there are lots of people that might not really want something that's so plush, and since this mattress has no memory foam in it, you're not going to really get that feeling of it conforming to your body. So if you do want this type of feeling, but still want the benefits that this mattress provides as far as back support goes, you might want to consider getting a mattress topper. Now, this specific mattress topper in the video is the Subertex gel-infused memory foam mattress topper. This mattress topper, unlike a lot of them that are meant to make the mattress feel a little bit more soft, is actually quite a bit more firm than the natural top of this mattress. As a result, if you do want that memory foam feel, this mattress topper is really going to help out with that. My next tip for this mattress is to use a taller bed frame. Now, there are several different reasons for this. The first one being, it's going to give you a little more elevation off the ground, which is not only going to be more comfortable, but it's also going to make it much easier to match the height of your bed to the height of other furniture in the bedroom, like a nightstand, dresser, or end table. A taller bed frame is also going to have more space underneath for storage. Now, this specific bed frame in the video is the Amazon Basics foldable metal bed frame. This bed frame not only gives you all the benefits of having a taller frame, but as you can see, it also has an extremely simple design, making it super easy to set up, and if you ever have to move it or store it, its foldable design makes that really quick and easy as well. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress cover. Now, this mattress technically has a nice durable quilted top that does protect the internals of it a little, but unlike a lot of other mattresses, especially the ones that are completely made of foam, it doesn't really have any type of cover that goes around the mattress itself. And because this is a more high-end mattress with higher end materials and all that, it's even more important to have something to protect it from damage. With a mattress cover, if you get any sort of spill or something like that on it, you can simply take off the cover and wash it, whereas if you get a spill directly on the mattress itself, it's going to be a lot more of a hassle to clean up. Now, this specific mattress cover in the video is called the SafeRest Mattress Protector. I really like this mattress cover because of how simple and easy it is to use. It goes on just like any fitted sheet, and if you get anything on it, it's completely machine washable, so you can simply take it off, throw it in the wash, and put it right back on. My next tip for this mattress is to use the right pillows. Pillows come in all shapes, sizes, and textures. So depending on your preferences, you might prefer one that's made of memory foam, focused more on support, like this Coop Home Goods pillow, or maybe you want the softest, fluffiest pillows you can find. In that case, this pair of Beckham Hotel Collection pillows might be more to your liking. Regardless of your specific needs and preferences, finding the pillows that are right for you is going to make a huge difference in the experience you get with this mattress. My next tip for this mattress is to get a bed frame that can hold it without a box spring. This can be extremely helpful when you're setting up your bed for the first time, because a box spring is an extra step that's usually in this day and age pretty unnecessary. While there are some really good high-end bed frames out there that do require box springs, and box springs can be useful in their own way, it's really not typically necessary since there's so many bed frames out there that don't need them. This specific bed frame in the video is the Zinus Tanya platform bed frame. Not only do you not need a box spring with this bed frame, but it also has a really nice stylish wood look and a headboard that can be useful as well. It's also extremely easy to build, so in addition to not going through the hassle of setting up a box spring, you're also probably going to get this bed frame built fairly quickly as well. My next tip for this mattress is to be sure to rotate it every so often. This definitely isn't nearly as crucial as it would be with a full memory foam mattress, but even a hybrid mattress like this with heavy duty springs at the base can lose its form a little if a lot of pressure is being put on it for a long period of time. So rotating this mattress regularly is going to help keep it fresh for longer. Even with a full memory foam mattress, you don't need to do this very often. So with a hybrid mattress like this, you need to do it even less. So I would say rotating it every 6 to 9 months would be ideal. Now my last tip for this mattress is to be sure to give it enough time to fully expand before using it. When you get this mattress, it's going to be pretty tightly packed in order to fit it into a smaller box and to protect it from damage during shipping. Because of this, it is going to need around 72 hours to fully air out and expand. Now technically, if you don't have that kind of time to wait, you can use it a little sooner than that. In fact, since this is a hybrid mattress that has more of a strong structure to it than a mattress that's made of solid foam, it's probably going to be usable after only a few hours, but giving it the full 72 hours to expand is going to give it time to reach its full form, ensuring maximum longevity. But those were our tips and tricks for the Tuft & Needle hybrid mattress. Overall, this is a great mattress, and with these tips and tricks, you can really get a lot of comfort and use out of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found this information useful as well. Once again, if you saw any products you liked in this video, keep in mind we have included our links to these items in the video description, so if you want to see more information about them, definitely check out those links to get the latest info on pricing and availability, because this does change from time to time. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you in the next one.